thank you for the introduction, and thank you for the invitation to this Congress here. I welcome you from the heart of Vienna, and as you all know, Vienna is the most livable city in the world, and it's one of the cleanest cities of the world. Why is it? One of the reasons is that we have a very well-balanced waste management system, and I want to tell you more about that, especially about the waste treatment plant in Vienna. You can see the picture here. It's the waste treatment plant Spittelau, a piece of art in the middle of Vienna, but more about that later. First of all, what is our approach to waste management? You have to keep everything in mind, not only waste incineration. First of all, you always have the waste prevention in the waste hierarchy. That is important. Waste that is not produced is the best waste. You don't have to do anything with it, yeah? What you can't prevent, you have to reduce. So reduce your waste as far as possible, reduce consumption, so that you have less of the waste. After that, what is left should be recycled. That is the next part. And only the part that can't be recycled, the non-recyclable waste, only this fraction should end up in a recovery option, like a waste-to-energy plant. And what is left afterwards should go to a landfill, after a volume reduction of more than 90%. So this is a whole picture. Not only talking about one perspective, it's everything that we need, every part of the hierarchy, to have a well-functioning system. In Vienna we have a separate collection. We are collecting all the waste as far as possible separately, so that we get a lot of raw materials out of it. More than half of the waste collected goes into recycling, for example, and we collect it via backyard collection. With a picking up system, we collect it with curbside collection or recycling centers where you can bring your waste, and we have the street cleaning, so different options to get the waste. The recycling labels are separated afterwards from the residual waste, and we focus in Vienna on high quality for the recycling material, so that you can get good raw material out of it, so that you can use it as part of the circular economy once again. What is left, the non-recyclable waste, ends up in the waste-to-energy plants, and here we are doing energy recovery, which is a very important part for the energy supply of Vienna. As it was said before, about 1/3 of one of the biggest district heating networks in Europe, for 2 million inhabitants, is supplied with district heating from the waste incineration plants. So this is very important also to get rid of fossil fuels that we are getting at the moment from Russia or from other countries. We want to do it by our own. We already have it here in the city. Why don't we use it, yeah? So this is one thing that is important and is very well functioning. Since 2009, no municipal waste goes directly to the landfill. Not 10% or something like that. 0%. Nothing goes directly to the landfill, and everything is used before, whether it is recycled or it is treated in a waste-to-energy plant.